Millions of customers rely on one subscription for shopping and entertainment needs. Amazon Prime's rise to prominence began with a simple idea: bundling services. By combining shipping, streaming, and music, Amazon created a unique offer. Customers could enjoy fast shipping, movies, and music for a flat monthly fee. This approach helped Amazon build a loyal customer base over time. Prime members receive benefits like free 2-day shipping and streaming access. Amazon's strategy focused on creating habits through convenience and consistency. Members often find themselves using Prime services out of habit and loyalty. The program's success can be attributed to its ability to cross-subsidize services. Amazon uses the revenue from Prime memberships to improve its overall customer experience. Prime's household value lies in its ability to cater to diverse family needs. Through Prime, Amazon has managed to lock in customers and drive long-term growth. Amazon Prime's bundling effect creates a network of interconnected services. By combining shipping, streaming, and music, Prime fosters customer loyalty. Customers often prioritize convenience over individual service costs. Prime's retention strategy relies on setting high shipping expectations. Fast and reliable delivery becomes a habit for frequent shoppers. Canceling a Prime subscription requires navigating complex settings. Monthly bills and calendar reminders reinforce the subscription cycle. Behind the scenes, e-commerce warehouses process packages rapidly. Delivery drivers load vans with carefully labeled packages daily. Cross-subsidy models allow Amazon to offset costs across services. Household value is maximized when multiple family members use Prime. Ultimately, Prime's success lies in making its services a household habit. Shipping plays a crucial role in driving customer retention and loyalty for Amazon Prime. Fast and reliable delivery sets high expectations, making it hard to switch services. Members prioritize speed and convenience, even if it means paying a premium. Amazon's vast network of fulfillment warehouses enables rapid order processing. Delivery drivers navigate complex routes to ensure timely package arrival. Customers track their orders obsessively, anticipating the moment of delivery. Late-night laptop browsing often leads to impulse purchases and instant gratification. Monthly bills and calendar reminders help maintain a steady stream of revenue. Cross-subsidy models allow Amazon to offset costs and invest in new services. Household value is amplified when multiple members utilize Prime benefits. Canceling a subscription requires navigating phone settings and billing statements. Ultimately, the cumulative effect of these habits solidifies Amazon's grip on customer loyalty. Amazon Prime's bundling strategy creates a self-reinforcing cycle of loyalty. Free shipping and streaming services become intertwined habits. Customers increasingly rely on Amazon for entertainment and convenience. Retention rates soar as users consolidate their subscriptions. The cross-subsidy model allows Prime services to support each other. Losses in one area are offset by revenue from other services. Household value is maximized through a single, streamlined subscription. Shipping expectations rise as customers grow accustomed to fast delivery. Delivery drivers become a familiar sight in neighborhoods and apartment complexes. E-commerce warehouses hum with activity, packaging, and shipping orders. Monthly bills and calendar reminders blend into the background of daily life. Ultimately, the cumulative effect of these habits cements Amazon's position as a household staple. Amazon Prime's bundling strategy creates a sticky customer experience always. Free shipping and streaming services combine to increase retention rates significantly. Households adapt to the convenience of fast delivery and entertainment options readily. Over time, the cumulative value of these benefits cements loyalty and habits strongly. Canceling a Prime subscription requires navigating complex settings and menus carefully. Despite this, some customers still choose to opt out of the service occasionally. However, for many, the household value proposition outweighs individual costs clearly. Cross-subsidy models allow Amazon to offset losses in one area with gains elsewhere effectively. Monthly bills and subscription fees become background noise in daily life gradually. The visibility of these costs decreases as customers become accustomed to the service naturally. Ultimately, the seamless integration of Prime services into daily routines reinforces loyalty deeply. By bundling and cross-subsidizing, Amazon creates a self-reinforcing cycle of customer retention and growth. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.